welcome back to my channel. Dassahmariee here, and I'm super excited to do a hair review on this hair right here, you guys. I got this hair off of Amazon and it was only $6.99. You guys know, like, I'm synthetic queen over here. I love my synthetic wigs. I love my cheap wigs because, you guys, I go through wigs so much that I don't even want to spend a lot of money on them because I know I'm gonna get bored and I'm gonna end up wanting a new one after like a month or two anyway. So I love looking on Amazon. I love the long hair. You guys see the length of this one is literally like to right here, super long. I love the texture of it. It's just like this wavy texture right here. And you guys, to be honest, I've been wearing this for like a week now and it doesn't even shed that much at all. It doesn't tangle. It brushes through fairly easy, so that's something that I really like and I really love. I do like this length, I like the texture, I like all of it. I'm going to turn it on so you guys get a feel of how long it is from the back. Pretty good length, it's pretty long, which I like. You guys know my hairstyles usually down. I don't really wear my hair like bowed to the front. I usually wear it like this to one side, or I would put it all to one side. I just feel more comfortable with my hair like this. But if I'm doing like pictures or a video, I like to wear it like off to the front. But so I'm gonna get a little bit into details of the wig. I'm gonna let you guys see the inside of it, how it's made, a little bit more details about it, and I will be coming back. So here is my package, Amazon Prime, and I'm gonna go ahead and show what's in here. So this is how it came out of the pack. As you guys can see right here, it's just in a clear plastic bag. I'm gonna go ahead and open the clear plastic bag. The wig did come in a hairnet already, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the hairnet that it comes with. I don't know why, but I just love when wigs do come with these things to protect it. So there's a little hairnet off. So here's the wig out of the pack. Here it is, and I love the length of it. I love the texture of it. It's like a wavy, curly type of texture. You can see the top, little scalp. I'm gonna lay it down so you guys can see the inside. This is the inside of it, as you guys can see. Now this wig particularly does not have any combs in it, which I guess it doesn't really matter if it has combs or not because I love the adjustable straps if I had to make a decision. So it has a strap right here, a strap over here, and then the little things where you could hook them and adjust it to the size of your head. So I like it. You guys see the tracks in here, and the scalp right here, it does have a part already. You can see some scalp, but you guys know my signature. I'm probably gonna put my little swooping, and let's go ahead and see it on. You guys can see the texture of it, how it looks. Very good quality. I love my Amazon wigs. So yeah, that's it for this hair review. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next